In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an alarm in Google Calendar. Whether you're new to Google Calendar or just looking to optimize your notification settings, this guide will walk you through the simple process of ensuring you never miss an important meeting or event. To start, you'll want to open Google Calendar. Once you're there, you have two options. You can either create a new event or select an existing one that you wish to modify. If you're making a new entry, go ahead and click on the time slot or day when your event will occur. For an existing event, simply find it on your calendar view and click on it. Once you've opened the event pop-up, your next step is to click on the Edit button. This is represented by a pencil icon, making it easy to spot. Clicking this will allow you to access all the event details so you can make necessary adjustments and personalize your notifications. Scroll down until you find the notification section. It's usually nestled under the event details. By default, Google Calendar often sets a reminder for 10 minutes before the event, but that might not suit everyone's needs. So here's where you can customize how you'd like to be reminded. Google Calendar gives you a couple of options for alert types. You can choose a notification, which will show a pop-up right on your computer screen. This is particularly useful if you're someone who spends a lot of time in front of the computer. Alternatively, you can opt for an email reminder. This means you will receive an email alert prompting you about your event. Both options are great, and you can decide which one fits your lifestyle and preference best. Moving on to the timing of the alert, you're not restricted to just the default settings. You can set your reminder several minutes, hours, days, or even weeks before the event occurs. This flexibility allows you to plan better and make necessary preparations ahead of time. If you feel the need to have multiple alarms for the same event, this is absolutely possible with Google Calendar. Simply click on Add Notification to set additional alerts. For instance, you may want an alert one day before, as well as another one 10 minutes before the event begins. This way, you're covered from all angles. Once you're satisfied with your settings, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all the changes you've made are recorded and your notifications are set to go. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you'll never have to worry about missing any critical appointments or deadlines again. Thank you for tuning in, and check out our channel for more tips on how to make the most out of your digital